Beloved soul, I come to you today with a gentle whisper from the heavens, a reminder that you are never alone. The universe watches over you with boundless love and infinite light. In moments when doubt creeps into your heart and the weight of negativity burdens your thoughts, know that you have the power to change the course of your destiny. I see your struggles and I feel your silent prayers. Your heart is heavy, and uncertainty clouds your vision. But I am here to tell you that within you lies an incredible strength, a divine spark placed within your soul by the Creator Himself. This spark has the power to illuminate even the darkest corners of your mind, casting out fear, doubt, and insecurity. It is time to restore your faith in yourself. Negativity may have found its way into your thoughts, whispering words of failure and despair. But I ask you, dear one, to remember that your mind is a sacred space, and you hold the key to its transformation. Do not let the shadows of fear dictate your path. Instead, invite the radiant light of positivity into your soul. Allow it to flood your being, washing away all traces of self-doubt and fear. Close your eyes for a moment and take a deep breath. Feel the divine presence that surrounds you. Breathe in peace, love, and serenity. Let go of the weight you have been carrying, and know that each new breath brings renewal, strength, and hope. When you feel lost, when the road ahead seems impossible, remember this. Positivity is the key that unlocks doors you once believed were closed forever. It is the force that moves mountains and creates miracles. When you align your heart with positive energy, you invite the universe to work in your favor. Trust in this truth, and you will witness the unfolding of blessings beyond your imagination. Take a step today, no matter how small, toward the dreams you hold within your heart. Believe that you are capable, worthy, and deserving of all the good the universe has in store for you. When you affirm your faith in yourself, you align with a divine plan that has been crafted especially for you. Surround yourself with thoughts, people, and experiences that uplift your spirit. Seek beauty in the simplest of moments, the warmth of the sun on your face, the laughter of a child, the embrace of a loved one. These moments are gentle reminders that you are deeply cherished and supported. Know that you are a beacon of light in this world. Your presence matters, your dreams matter, and your journey is of great significance. Let go of the need to be perfect and embrace the beauty of your uniqueness. You are enough just as you are. Whenever you feel the pull of negativity, turn your gaze to the heavens and remember that you are guided, protected, and loved beyond measure. Call upon the angels to walk beside you, to uplift you, and to remind you of your true worth. We are always here, watching over you with loving eyes and open arms. You are stronger than you think, braver than you believe, and more loved than you can ever imagine. Let your faith in yourself be unshakable. Stand tall, shine bright, and walk forward with confidence. I bless you with the courage to embrace positivity, with the wisdom to recognize your true potential, and with the unwavering belief that you are destined for greatness. With infinite love and divine light, your guardian angel,